Here's how you can turn off Google SafeSearch if locked. So if SafeSearch is locked, it usually means it's been turned on by a parent, a school, or a network administrator. And in most cases, that's intentional. So before changing anything, check whether it was set up that way on purpose. If you do have permission to turn it off, here's how you can do it. Simply open Google in your browser, go to settings by clicking on your profile icon, scrolling down and clicking on settings. Now click on privacy and safety. Once we are into this, we are going to click on Safe Search. Now you will see this page where it will show filter, blur and off. So if you choose off, it will show all the relevant results even if they are explicit. If you choose blur, it will help blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may show. Now if you choose filter, it will help filter out explicit images, text and links. So make sure it is turned off. If you want to, turn off Google SafeSearch. Now another way to do this is by opening Google Chrome on your mobile phone, clicking on the three-dotted icon in the top right and navigating to settings. Once you are into settings, you can simply click on privacy and security. Here we'll scroll down and navigate to the Use Secure DNS option. Click on this and make sure that you choose this option, that is, use your current service provider, not choose another provider. Now, if that works, that's great. And if you want another way, you can simply navigate to settings on your mobile phone, click on Connections. Now scroll down and navigate to More Connections. Now click on Private DNS and make sure it is set at automatic or off, not at private DNS provider hostname. So if you choose this automatic, click save, you can easily turn off your Google SafeSearch even if it's locked. So these were the ways through which you can turn off Google SafeSearch if it's locked. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.